Hello friends, this is Heidi with Kiddos KORAL, and tonight I have a mini Costco haul for you guys because I know y'all enjoy seeing what I purchased from Costco. So I have a ham here that I bought for Easter. These hams are really delicious. I've purchased them before, and we don't eat a lot of ham, but this is going to be really good for Easter. Then we got three things. This is all, one, but three different types of lunch meat. So we have the, let's see, this is the oven roasted, the smoked turkey, the oven roasted turkey, and the ham. We got a thing of hamburger meat. That's not really a purchase that I usually do, but we decided that since the weather is warming up, we're going to make this into burgers and have some burgers on the grill, and that just sounded so good. And this was buy one get one free. This is the Chobani original plain whole milk. This is the Greek yogurt. Absolutely love Greek yogurt, and if you guys have watched me, you know that yogurt seems to be the usual thing that I always buy. I can make shakes out of this. If you don't really care for the taste, you can put fruit and add honey to it. It is really good and good for you. I got a whole chicken, a whole rotisserie chicken. Costco to me has the best rotisserie chickens because other stores, they just seem like you don't get much chicken for your money, and Costco seems like you get a lot of bang for your buck, if you know what I mean, with the rotisserie chickens, and they are delicious. But I'm going to pull all the meat off of that, and I'm going to make some homemade chicken salad this weekend, and we're going to have the chicken salad on these croissants. And you couldn't help but buy these tonight because the whole place smelled like you could smell everything baking back there, and it was so inviting. And I haven't had a good croissant in a long time, and this whole package was still warm whenever I got it. I cannot wait to have that with the chicken salad. It'll be really delicious. And then we always buy our dogs treats at Costco because they are inexpensive, and they like these jerky treats. And that is all I purchased tonight. I hope y'all enjoyed this mini haul. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe and give this video a thumbs up. And I'll be talking to you again soon.